Hello, this is Alex Still, and today on ModShapes we're talking about reusable spools and how you may already have one in your home right now if you've ever purchased the eSun wood filament. Now I have done a comparison of the eSun wood filament spool that came included with that particular roll of filament and the inland reusable spool product that retails for about $5.99 at microcenter right now. Let's take a look at what both of these different spools look like. The inland will have the red filament, the eSun will have the black filament, and we'll take a look side by side and see what we see. These two spools are nearly identical. Small variations in the hex nuts, which makes one a little bit more difficult to work with than the other, but if you really want to, buy more hex nuts. I think this would save you a good $6 if you already have this particular type of filament, and what's great about it, you can see through it. If you haven't already started using spool-less filaments, I highly recommend it. I feel like I'm saving the world. Our motto is, if it's worth doing, it's worth doing right. Hope you have a fantastic day, and talk to you soon.